Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to show the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, my device directly transfers me to the well-being tools, but if you will turn on this option for the very first time, then you will have two different options. So you will have the digital well-being tools, and here you will have the parental controls. So all you have to do is to simply tap on digital well-being tools. So you will see this kind of graph, and here we can check for how long I've been using this device today, and we can check for how much time I've spent on particular apps. So we can tap on this graph, and as you can see, we can check the week time, let's say, which I've spent on this device. What's more, here we've got particular apps and the exact amount of time I've spent on them. So I've been using the settings for 11 minutes and the phone less than 1 minute. Let's get back. As you can see here, we've got also the count, so our device count unlocks, and also received notifications. Here we've got ways to disconnect, which is a very cool option if you need the time for yourself or you need your device to stay silent. I mean, if you will have some apps which usually distract you, then you will be able to limit the notifications you will receive from them. So for example, if you've got the focus mode, we have to enter it, and as you can see, we can show all 15, let's say in my case, apps. And if you will decide that, for example, you receive the biggest amount of notifications from the Chrome or contacts or Gmail, you will be able to simply tick those options, I mean mark them, and thanks to this your device will limit all the notifications. So it is a very cool option to disconnect from your device actually. And here we've got also the options to reduce interruptions, so you can manage notifications in general, or you can set do not disturb mode. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.